All right, Norway has spoken. The moms and the dads, like Thomas D here. Okay, potato flour, potetmel. Well, I'm in the grocery store and I'm looking for potetmel right now. I see vetemel. That doesn't seem to be right. No, what's it? What we got here? Rugmel? Nah, that doesn't seem right either. Huh? Huh? What about this one? Big mel? Nope, that's not potetmel either. There's so many mels. Oh my goodness. It's like a bunch of mels. Spetmel? Speltmel. I don't know. What is the difference between all these mels? This is a lot of different mels. Somebody tell me. Where is it? Come on. Where are we at? Where's the potetmel? What's this one? Havre mel? Oh my goodness. All the mels. Where is it? Oh, look at this. Is this what we're talking about right here? Potetmel. Oh, all right. Now I got it. Let's try it and rate it 1 through 10. Ha! Shout out to Keith Lee. Want to see what a single guy buys at the grocery store? This is an interesting basket I have here. I have the potetmel, yes. I have shilling, 60 kroner, have to do that, and banana. Y'all be thinking that I never buy fruits. I buy fruits, I buy them. I'll get bananas and strawberries, oranges. I be getting my fruits. No need to worry. I get my fruit intake. All right, well, gotta check out and try out this potetmel. Thank you so much, everyone, for the recommendations. I don't think I've ever heard of potato flour, but we're gonna use it today.